Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fill the exam form for November 2022 examination for CA intermediate students. You have to fill the exam form in the SSP portal. So for this you have to type eservices.icai.org in the Google. So it will show you Icai e-services. Then you have to tap on that. Then the SSP interface will be opened. Here you have to log in using your user ID and also password. So user ID, it is SRO or CRO, WRO or NRO, and at last you have to enter @icai.org, and also you have to enter the password to log in. And in case you don't remember the password, then tap on the forgot password to recover it. And any CA intermediate student don't have the SSP login details, you can create here. So below it is showing you don't have a login to SSP yet, existing student or member, then tap on that. Then you can create a SSP login. So after entering the user ID and also password, and after tapping on the login button, your user interface will be opened in the SSP. So here you are seeing the photo and also details. Photo background should be white, and in case you don't have the photo, you need to update it. And here it is showing you the student function, article function and exam function. Tap on the exam function, intermediate exam registration. So once you tap on that, it will show you the intermediate exam form registration. Tap again on that. So it is showing you the guidelines for CA intermediate. Once study them detailedly, and also then tap on the I have read the guidelines and tap on the OK button. So here we have three steps: personal details, qualification details and payment. First see the personal details and also photo and signature. In case you don't have photo or signature, please do update it in the SSP port. Once you check all the personal details are correct or not, and then tap on the next button. So once you tap on the next, here it is showing you the qualification details. Here it will show you the course, articleship and CA qualification details. So check everything. And also here it is showing you, do you have any valid paper exemption? If you don't have the paper wise exemption, then tap on the no button. In case you have any exemption in the previous 3 attempts, then you have to tap on the yes. If you tap on the yes, you have to enter all the exemption details like roll number, year and month, and the marks in the paper you have got the exemption, and then tap on the next button. It is showing you the medium details, course details and fee details. Here you have to select the medium, English or Hindi. If you are English, tap on the English, otherwise Hindi. And also select the exam group 1 or group 2, and also region and exam city. Then it is showing you the fee details. If you are single group, 1500, both groups 2700. And tap on the self declaration, I agree. Once study the self declaration, and then tap on the submit. Here it is showing you, do you want to submit the inter exam enrollment form? Tap on OK. Then it is redirected to payment gateway. Now you have to make the payment. You can pay through UPI, net banking or other modes showing in there. So likewise you can pay the examination fees, and your unsuccessful payment of examination fee, it will show you a pop-up like this: congratulations, your exam registration form has been successfully submitted. And you can change the center or group or medium when the correction window is opened by ICI later. So guys, and also you can check your exam form PDF like this in the application details. You can download also. Thank you guys. For some students are not having SSP login details, I will make a separate video on that. Please do subscribe.